Good morning. It is Thursday. Gosh, we got one more day till the weekend. If a trade ends up coming up here, I want to enter this live so you guys can see exactly this panning out. But first, I got to give a massive shout outs. I love starting these videos this way. I'm going to give shout outs to people that just passed their accounts, go over technical analysis, how to use these metrics. You know, if an opportunity comes up, let's take it. Let's take it here live. All right, let's do this, you guys. Starting off, Orion, my man, you just passed your 50K account. Congratulations. You've been sticking at this for a while, and you know what? What happens when you're consistent more times than not? You are going to pass these accounts. Congratulations. Let's go to another one here. Derek Jones, you did so well with this. I want to give you a shout out with this, and I'm just so proud of you. That's all I can say is I'm super proud of you. And you know, I'm not saving the best for last or any of that, but you know, I have to give a massive round of applause to Abel, who literally just got on the elite board of 5 take profit accounts, 550K accounts passed. She has now hit the highest status with take profit, passing all 5 of her accounts. Now that is going to be on here just to show you guys you are now a bell on the main site here. I'll go over this in a second because let's go over actually some of the signals this morning. You know, actually really good. You know, I got an email from someone. He's like, Justin, did you catch that 300-point drop off this morning? I was like, I wish I did. That would have been incredible. Can you imagine how much money that is? Look at this, you guys. After sell signal, enter. This ran for 387 points. Like, are you kidding me? 387. Of course, we're not going to get all of it, but like, what a massive move. You know, another buy signal here. This ended up running 124 points. Oh, what a shame. This one here, 54 points. Buy signal, 23 points. Sell signal, 42 points. Guys, look at that. You know, if you do something just as simple as, you know, red with red, green with green. And, you know, I went over this in my one-on-one trainings the other day, and I was like, you know what? How powerful can this be? Well, look at this, you guys. Okay, seriously, if you're new to trading, I want you to do this. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Sell, whoop, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So this background, the overall background color, I want that to be your determining factor if you literally have your button over sell or buy, okay? If this is red, we're not having it over green. If this is red, we're having it over sell. Now, what do I want to wait for? Guys, I love this. This ribbon is so powerful with these metrics. See how this brighter color ribbon, right, is on the bottom, and we're going to sell. Enter. Boom. There you go. Buy signal right here. Buy signal's coming up. Green. You guys, you know what? I actually have no problem entering this trade here. Let's see if we can do this. 53 seconds left. I'll just stay here live with you guys. Literally live. And to show you, go over here on the counts and see if we can pull out some money. Like, let's do it together. Over here. Buy signal. Ended up coming through. What I like though, you guys on this, see how this was brighter green on the top? That's a good spot for these big movements. You know, green entry, red entry. Over here, red on the bottom, enter through. So that's what I'm looking at. So let's look at this one right now. Let's analyze this together. And I'll go ahead. I'm actually going to place a trade over here so you guys can see this. We got 20 seconds left. Let's literally just do this together and manage this trade. Just so there's transparency. So you can see everything here. We got 12 seconds left. Perfect. Green, green, and green. This is what I'm calling a triple G setup. You guys see how we're coming down, making a higher low. Let's have this sucker push. And 1, enter. Buy market. All right. I'm in it right now. Where are we? We're up here. Perfect. Let's just stay with this. 87. So 21087. Let's go like this. 21087. Just so you guys can see this. Let's do it together. 21087. All right. That's the entry. That's where I'm at. And you know what? Let's just stay on here. You know, a lot of times, what am I trying to teach here? Stay with green. Green with green. Well, if this background is green and it's going to stay green, let's just see how high this can actually run. You know, we want to keep an eye out for levels of support and resistance, right? So where's our soonest level of resistance? Well, if I look at this right here, here's a resistance. Here's a resistance. And then the other resistance is like way the heck up here. Like, that would be insane. Like, talk about a killer trade. If this ends up going all the way up here, I don't think I'll be able to stay on the video that long because my recorder might actually stop it. So let's get rid of this one, right? Let's just shoot for somewhere around here. You know, any of these. I would be super happy to be able to see that profit. You know, let's take these off. Let's make our chart a little bit cleaner just so we can focus on this trade. Let's focus. and see what's happening. Green with green. What is so good about this setup right here? Well, why do I like this? Well, look, guys, this is green. Green is on top, the brighter green, and this is just moving. How much are we up right now? 1,200. Awesome. Let's just keep this going. This is a level of resistance, right? A level of resistance that's seen a push down afterwards. Is this not a bad spot to be able to be like, you know what? Hey, if we get close to this area, why can't we just take out the funds and then call it a day on that? You know, this is what these traders are doing. Derek, Abel, Adrian, these traders are being so successful because they're waiting for setups. They're looking for triple R, triple Gs. They're running it up. They're taking profit off the table and just calling it a day. My trading, guys, if you are doing more than 2 to 3 trades in a day, it's over trading. You know, we need to get out of that mindset where if you can just do 1 trade a day and it's a profitable trade, look at this, you guys. Awesome. Very good so far. I want to see if this pushes a little bit further up because, you know, everything right now, solid green, green, and green. Everything's just pushing. This is getting to a top red section here. Guys, what happens when this gets into the top red? It's just an indication that the bulls could start coming in control and you can see money start flowing down, and that's when you can see reversal. But everything going really well right now. How much are we up right now? $1,400. You guys can see it over here. So this is how you're managing. I asked these traders, and it's really cool to do this. I asked these traders, say, you know what are you guys doing? And they're like, Justin, I'm not doing anything that is special at all. I'm just following the metrics. And like me, I don't have another screen over here. I don't have another screen over there. There's nothing that I'm actually looking at besides just this here. I want to simplify trading. You know, I'm the person that I want to be able to say, you know what, go in here, set rules, set principles. You know, something like this trade, Fibonacci, let's go like this. Well, could you technically do this? This is our stop loss and entry. You guys, I know I might actually end up just closing this out here in a second because this is actually really good. Stop entry, stop loss, take profit. How much is this up now? This is now up $2,000 over here. This is just going and going. Look at this trade go. Coming down a little bit. Level of resistance. Background hasn't switched over. Background hasn't switched over at all. Guys, I think I might just stay here live with you guys and see if this just keeps running and running. This is going to be such an incredible trade. Where are we at now? 22. Pushed even more. About 2,300. You guys can see. Actually, you know what? Let's look up here. I'm looking over here at the smaller ones with my good old eyesight. I can just look up here. Okay, 21. Level of resistance up here. If this ends up hitting up to this level here, I'm out of this trade and calling it good. Literally just going to call it good. There we go. Push a little more. 24. 25. You know, this sell-off, guys, look at this sell-off. This is your sell-off. This could just keep going and just rocket up and just fly, fly, and fly. All right, we're coming down a little bit. I want to wait this on this next push to see if we can get this back up, and then I'll actually go over here and I want to just close this out for you guys. But you know, that's what I'm doing. You know, on this trade, triple R, triple G, could you have entered in right here, put your stop loss right below this candle, and then done a 1-to-1 risk to reward? Yeah, you absolutely could. You know, I did a 1-to-1 trading yesterday, and we were going over, you know, do you put your stop loss at the swing low, right? Do you put it at the swing low and then go like this, and then you go for 1-to-1 here? You know, it's not bad. Can you hit these? You can, but it doesn't happen all the time. I'd rather be someone where you keep your stop close to here and then just let it run. You know, that's where you let it run, where, you know, if it goes against you in the opposite direction, you know, you're closing out for maybe 10, 20, 30 points, but you could potentially get way, way more on the upside of it, right? So if you minimize your risk, remember with prop firm accounts and all this, sorry, keep this updated over here for you guys, the trailing drawdown is going to follow with you. So, you know, you want to keep your stops small, your profits large, and just let it run, run, and run, okay? So that is how we want to be trading with these accounts. And just doing it over and over and over more successfully every single day. I want a little push here. It might come back down on us, which is going to be completely fine. And I'll be all right. But this is all staying within this profit wave. Green, green, and green all the way around. You know, big, bright green. You know, something to look at too, guys. I know this is just, actually, you know what? Here we go. Getting closer. Let's go ahead and close this out together. There we go. 2,800. There we go. There's 3,000. Guys, I'm not going to get greedy at all with this. We hit anywhere near this level, I'm good. Take a look here. 31. All right, let's close this out in just a moment. I'm actually taking that. I have no issues taking out about $3,100. Done. $3,175. Absolutely incredible. There you go, guys. That is literally live right there, taking a trade, a buy signal. Go back to your charts right now. Everyone with these metrics. Seriously, go back and look at this time. 8:11. I'm Pacific Standard Time. Look at the buy signal. Look what I took. Just over $3,100, just like that on that trade. Now, if you guys are new to this channel, all you have to do, go to My Future Success in the description. This is lifetime access for everything, and you'll never pay monthly service fees, ever. Seriously. You can literally, seriously, 7 people right here, and I actually just updated this the other day of other people passing their individual accounts. Look at this review over here. This is so fun. I just passed 5 take profit accounts using the metrics. Very easy to follow. Took the stress and anxiety away from trading. Gosh, guys, that's what I'm trying to do. Take things, anxiety and stress out of it. Don't overcomplicate things. If you see green with green, go green with green. If you see red with red, just go red with red. It's how these people are doing it. Honestly, you guys. So again, Orion, massive shout out. Derek, massive shout out. Abel, congratulations on passing all 5 of your accounts. You guys just saw it live here. You saw a live trade taken showing exactly how to use these metrics, proof of people passing their accounts. Look at these 5-star reviews. Seriously, go on this website and see the success that so many people are having. Literally, you can join right now, load up your charts, and in a single click, transform your charts to this and see exactly what so many people are seeing for the success. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. Take care. God bless. Tomorrow's Friday, and then it's the weekend to celebrate. Take care. Bye-bye.